In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove downloaded Audible audiobooks from your device. If your phone or tablet is running low on storage, this quick cleanup will help without affecting your purchases or your listening history. Removing a title from your device only clears the downloaded files. Your audiobooks remain safely in your Audible library and can be downloaded again anytime. Start by opening the Audible app and heading to your library. The Library tab is where all your titles live, both the ones stored on your device and the ones available in the cloud. If you don't see it right away, look for the library icon along the bottom or the top navigation bar, depending on your device. Next, use the filter at the top to narrow things down. Tap the filter. This might show categories like audiobooks or podcasts, and then choose Downloaded. This view displays only the books that are currently stored offline on your device. It's the fastest way to see exactly what's taking up space and decide what you're ready to remove. If you have a lot of titles, this filter saves you from scrolling through your entire collection. Now tap Select or Edit. Different devices may use slightly different wording, but the idea is the same. You're entering selection mode, so you can choose multiple books at once. This is great for a quick cleanup session, especially if you've downloaded several long titles for a trip and don't need them all anymore. You'll see checkboxes appear next to your books. Tap the boxes for each title you want to remove. If you're unsure about a title, you can always leave it unchecked for now. Remember, you're not losing access to any purchases. This is simply clearing the local files, so you can be confident about selecting what you no longer need offline. When you're ready, tap Remove from Device at the bottom. The app will remove the downloaded audio files and free up space instantly. The titles will still show in your library under All or Cloud views, ready to download again whenever you want. If you need to listen later without an internet connection, just download them again the same way you did before. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you frequently run out of space, consider keeping only your current listen downloaded and removing finished books. And if you listen on multiple devices, each device manages its own downloads, so repeat this process wherever you store audiobooks offline. That's it, fast, clean, and reversible. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra space on your device.